Look at that. Vegan animal fries. They look so good. I've missed you so much. Hi everyone, welcome back to Rards Aisha, where we're making cruelty-free food and we're making it fashionable. Today is World National Pistachio Day, so I decided it would be a good time to make a cake, especially since St. Patrick's Day is coming up. For people who are going to like potlucks or something like that and they want to bring something vegan. I'm going to be veganizing pistachio cake that I found on Pinterest. Yeah. The recipe is from The Country Cook, and I'll leave the link for the recipe down below if you want to follow along. So let's get started. It shouldn't take the recipe shouldn't take very long. I haven't had any caffeine. I'm working on it. Not that it matters. I don't talk well in any other of my videos. Any other of my point in case. Ah, it's hot. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna need a box of vegan cake mix. So Duck and Heinz, most of their flavors are vegan, so just check on the back. I'm gonna be using just white, so I can let the pistachio flavors shine through. And in here, we're also gonna put a box of the Pistachio Jello. When you go to the store to pick these up, make sure you get two, because you're going to want one for the frosting and you're going to want one for the actual cake. I like pistachio. It's my dad's favorite flavor, so I had it quite a bit growing up. I'm going to add a cup of milk, some kind of nut milk, or non-dairy milk. Then a cup of oil. Healthy. Yum. And then your egg or egg substitute. I made some flax seed egg, so it asked for 3 eggs. So I had 3 tablespoons of the ground flax seed mixed with 9 tablespoons of water. Oop, that plops right in. Next we're gonna mix it. Hopefully this works. My mixer wasn't working last time I tried to use it. Yeah, it's still not working. The pearls don't stay in, so it's another thing I need to get. Just having some cake and tea in the morning. Healthy vegan lifestyle. Brought to you by Rards Aisha. Alrighty. Oh, puberty. So let's spray the bottom of the tin or container you're going to put the cake in. Make sure it's oven safe too. I know this thing is for sure oven safe. Woo. I think I'm going to sprinkle some of these sprinkles in here, just to give it more green, make it more festive. These big green ones are cool. So that's what it looks like, all ready to go. It's so green. And we're just throwing that in the oven. The middle of my cake kind of didn't make it, but it's okay. We'll just cover it with frosting. So I ended up baking it for an hour. I think the problem is it's just too much oil. A cup of oil is just way too much. So maybe do a half a cup or I think even 3/4 of a cup might be too much. So let's stick to a half a cup of oil instead of the full cup of which is what I did, but I do not recommend. Next we're gonna do the frosting. We're gonna take our second packet of the Pistachio Jello, because it's Pistachio Day. Drop that. Then we're going to add half a cup of milk to the pudding mix. And then just stir it to combine. That's all mixed up. It's a really nice color. Then we're going to add 8 ounces of a vegan, dairy-free, well, if it's vegan, it's dairy-free. A vegan Cool Whip. I found this Cocoa Whip by So Delicious, so we're going to use that. And it has to be totally thawed out. So what I did was leave it in the fridge overnight. So now it's all soft. It'll be really easy to mix. So we got our frosting there. A nice minty color. Next, I'm going to cover the horrible mistake of the middle with the frosting. And the cake has to be completely cool or else the frosting will melt. I'm gonna add another layer on top because I have a lot of this frosting whipped frosting. I'm gonna add some sprinkles on top. And I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit just to have the icing kind of cool down, stay solid. This is actually really good. I'm not even mad that it's 10 a.m. and I'm eating cake. I just got back from the store because I have been craving In-N-Out for a really long time now. So I'm gonna veganize In-N-Out, especially the animal fries. I'm really wanting some animal fries. It's a rainy day right now and I just want to have my In-N-Out and cuddle with my animals. Speaking of animals, Nico, come here. Oh, chunky monkey, come. He just wants to cuddle too, so I'm gonna get this prepped. Okay, all my components are ready. I made some caramelized onions, and they turned out really good looking. Look at that, the perfect. So this actually took the longest out of everything because it takes time to caramelize. So I cut up an onion and a half. Then in a pan, I used a non-stick pan because I heard they stick really easily, so trying to prevent ruining my onions, I used about a tablespoon of olive oil with some butter and melted that. And then when that was getting sizzling, I added the onions. And really you just have to keep it moving for at least 30 minutes. I think I did mine for about 45 minutes. It took a really long time, as you can see. But they turned out really good looking. But when you're done with that, make sure that you put them on a paper towel to get all the excess oil and fat off, and then do the same, top it with the paper towels like I did, and then they're all good to go. So that's all ready for our animal fries and our burger. So just put that aside. So I'm gonna amp up this In-N-Out burger because I wanna make it more like a gourmet situation. So let me show you what I did. So we're gonna be putting it on a ciabatta roll, which I toasted with a little bit of olive oil and some seasoning like garlic salt, very little garlic salt and some pepper. But we need one of the most important ingredients, which is their secret sauce, which really is 1000 Island. But we're gonna amp it up a little bit, make it teensy bit more gourmet. Okay, so I got some Just truffle mayo. That mayo, I really like the Just mayos. I've tried the Chipotle one, and I think there's the normal one that they have. I'm really excited to try this one. So do a nice dollop of that because we're going to be putting it on our fries and our burger. And we need more for dipping. So real quick, I'm going to just cut up some pickles to add to it. Okay, so we got those. Put that in there. And then of course we need some ketchup. I'm going to be using, let's see, about 2 teaspoons for now. And to kick it up and make it extra special, I'm going to add some sriracha. Just going to mix that up real quick. Look at that. So we have our truffle sriracha, 1000 Island, pretty much. Okay, let's assemble our burger. I'm so excited. Of course, one of my favorites, but isn't it like everybody's favorite? So let's get our sauce on here. I need more than that, honey. Okay, there we go. The cheese is so melty. Looks so good. And of course, let's top it with our grilled onions. And because I love the pepperoncinis they give away, I'm gonna add some pepperoncinis to make it spicy. And I think just for the heck of it, I'm gonna add a pickle. Yeah, let's add 2 pickles. Oh my god. Yes. All that goodness there. Shoot. It looks so good. All I'm missing is tomato, but let me get a bite of this second. It's so juicy, so like all the juice come out of it. That's so good. You get more spread. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god, that's like better than most meat burgers. Shoot. Now that we've mastered that, I want to do some animal fries. Like my favorite thing ever. That looks so good. Oh my god, it's dripping everywhere. Well, not really everywhere, but enough where I need a napkin. It's so good. So the fries are done from the air fryer, so I'm just going to sprinkle them with some garlic salt. Just season them a little bit. It should be fine. Then I'm going to put it on this tray because after I put my toppings on, I'm going to put it in the oven. Actually, I'm going to put mine in the toaster oven. So I have this little tray here. This has about enough for like a serving. So on the fries, we're going to put our vegan special sauce. Spread that around if you can slide. Add some cheese. And again, this is the Follow Your Heart American cheese. Let's do 2 slices. Get the full experience. Add some grilled onions. Don't put the grilled onions on before you put it in. Mistake is learned. They burned. But not all of them. But it'd be better just to put them on afterwards. So I'm going to just add them now that the cheese is all melted. I just put it in the broiler for about 7 minutes maybe. Not too long. Now we just need our pepperoncinis. My cat's going crazy somewhere. Look at that. Vegan animal fries. They look so good. You can't say that doesn't look good. It looks amazing. It's so pretty. To show you how good this was, I usually wait till the video is over to start eating completely, but I couldn't help myself. I already ate half of this. I had to stop. The burgers turned out phenomenal. So I have high expectations for these animal fries. Let's see. Ooh, that looks so good. This tastes exactly like it though. It's so good. I've missed you so much. Ugh. And these are even better than In-N-Out because they're cruelty-free. Thank you guys for watching. Everything turned out amazing today. Even with the cake for Pistachio Day, turned out pretty good. And I think I'm going to make this for St. Patrick's Day because it is really easy. It's fast, and it's really tasty. It's nice and moist. And these animal fries, and with the air fryer, it's so, I'm like drooling. I've already been eating and I'm still drooling. It's so good, you guys. I can't, there's no other way to say it. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe so you can see what else I'm doing because I have a lot of fun recipes coming, a lot of fun ideas. So you guys stay tuned because it's really worth watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna go cuddle with my pets. I'm gonna start a log in the fireplace and I'm gonna eat all this stuff and just watch It's Always Sunny and enjoy myself. So have a good day guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.